Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to remember what we saw yesterday in class, which is the reflexive pronouns. So let's just remember very quickly. We have the singular reflexive pronouns, myself, herself, himself, herself, itself. And then we have the plural, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Yesterday we practiced these ones and worksheet. So, what is a function or what is it that the reflexive pronouns do? We use them when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence or clause, right? They end in self or selves. That is what you already know. We, on the exercise yesterday, we did that, right? We circled the pronoun they were referring to. So, the reflexive pronoun refers to its subject and usually comes after a verb, right? For example, he reminded himself to pass the project, or I saw myself in the mirror, right? We are referring to I, and we have the pronoun right next to a verb. This is something important to notice. So today we're going to learn which are the intensive. So it turns out that the intensive pronouns are the same words that we just saw, okay? The same reflexive, but they have a different function. The intensive pronoun emphasizes its antecedent. That means that it comes right after the subject, right? The noun or the pronoun. That means that right now we don't have those words, self and selves, coming right before a verb. Now it's right before a noun or a pronoun. Let's look at the example. The teachers themselves volunteered in the outreach. That means that we are just talking about the teacher. You see, this is a subject, it's not a verb, right? The teachers themselves. So we are like super emphasizing that they did it on their own. They volunteered. We are talking about the teachers. Tony himself wrapped the gift for his dad. That means that he didn't need any help. He did it himself, right? He himself. We are talking about Tony. We can say he himself or Tony himself. Okay, now it's time to study well. It's time to practice. What you're going to do is you're going to go to classroom and you're going to open the worksheet for today. You know we have been working on many worksheets lately, so this is going to be individual. Write your name and the date, and it says intensive pronouns. An intensive pronoun uses reflexive pronouns, like I said, we use the same words, to add emphasis to the subject of the sentence, right? So they are the same words. Self, herself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves. It says underline or highlight the intensive pronoun in each sentence below. Look at the example I did. He himself brought a gift for his parents. What we are emphasizing, guys, is that he did it alone, right? He himself. It sounds a little bit repetitive, yes, but this is the intensity. This is why we call it intensive pronouns. So the words are the same as the reflexive, but the function they do is a little bit different. We are adding emphasis. So you have to do the same with all of these. Remember, you can underline, okay, or it can be highlighted. You know how to highlight. Okay, underline or highlight, whichever you prefer. Part 2. For each intensive pronoun, write a sentence. Make sure the intensive pronoun adds emphasis to the subject of the sentence. Remember, you need to have the subject and immediately next to it, the pronoun that I give you. I'm going to help you with the number 1. It says, he himself brought a gift for his parents, right? Él mismo, él solito, he himself, right? I myself, you continue with you continue with her, right? It will be she. Remember, here you have to start with she or with a woman's name. So, I want you to try to do this on your own. And if you have any question, let me know, okay? So that will be all for today's tutorial. And I will see you tomorrow for another tutorial. Bye-bye.